Here with me now is Anthony Kim, who is the recipient of the AAPS Foundation's new Investigator grant, it's called. Congratulations, first of all.
Thank you.
So tell us about the current research you're working on.
One of the main projects that I work on is on nanoparticle formulations for glioblastoma, which is the most common and primary brain cancer with extremely poor prognosis with a median survival of less than 14 months.
Wow.
So it has been known for some time the invasive and residual brain cancer cells that are left behind after surgery is what eventually take the life away from these patients. However, we just did not have the right technology to be able to deliver sufficient dosage of therapies to these invading brain cancer cells. So working with my colleagues, we developed a nanoparticle formulation called brain penetrating nanoparticles, which we think is a promising way to treat brain cancer patients. And it can be done by 3 different ways. The first is that it allows us to provide more uniform and more wide distribution of the drugs within the whole brain. And the second way is that it allows you to specifically target to those invading brain cancer cells. And also the third is that it allows you to provide prolonged and sustained local concentration of the drugs towards the brain tumors and as well as to invading brain cancer cells. So we hope that our research project will have provide some sort of insight into the rate-limiting barriers for drug delivery to the brain for brain tumors that may translate to better treatment for these patients with brain tumors.
Some exciting news to be able to share. Can you talk about how maybe the foundation has helped you and maybe change your career path overall?
So so the receiving this award from the AAPS Foundation, New Investigator grant, has been enormous. First of all, this recognition provided instant credibility of the vision that we have in terms of our team, where we apply a team-based approach that brings together the investigators from different disciplines. This recognition sort of confirms that my strong belief in the central role of the fundamental basic sciences, even in the context of the translational research that's more clinically relevant. So since receiving this award, our team has so far presented 16 abstracts in major scientific conferences, and we published 9 peer-reviewed articles in major scientific journals.
Well, that's awesome. Well, congratulations again, by the way, Anthony Kim. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.